10 hours into the 65th day, the temperature exceeds 3,600 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, even mountains in the mantle of the Earth simply melt.
What was once what we call a rocky planet really becomes a boiling soup of all sorts of melting rocks and metals.
Then, 2.5 hours later, 1 million miles from the sun, the sun's gravitational pull on the Earth changes the very shape of our planet.
The final destruction of the Earth is not so much the evaporation of the water and the boiling of the rock. The final doom of the Earth is not the heat effects from the sun, but the sun's gravity.
The gravity triggers every single earthquake fault. Massive temblors shake the planet.
Also, fissures in Earth's crust will open the passage for magma to flow through known openings, new openings, and volcanic vents.
Every volcano on Earth explodes.
The Earth starts to get torn apart.
As the crust breaks, the remaining ocean water rises, pulled by the sun's gravity, and evaporates in the sun's overwhelming heat.
And so the final light that the Titanic sees in the deep ocean, which has been dark all this time, is going to be the water of the Earth itself flows off of the planet and is evaporated as it goes.
There will be a brief moment where all the Earth's water evaporates. There will be a brief moment where the sun will dawn upon the Titanic once more.
The Titanic sees the brilliant flare of the sun, and in those last few seconds, the Earth itself is pulled apart, and literally every bit of the Earth itself is exposed to the solar atmosphere.
The Earth at its very end looks very much like the Earth at its infancy. A very hot ball of lava deformed by the forces of the sun. So what you see is our history in reverse.
The gravity becomes so strong that Earth will deform and the Earth will simply fall into pieces.
And then, that's it.
In the end, everything gets destroyed.
The ultimate fate of the Earth is that it will be ripped apart into these chunks that will then fly into the sun. When we pollute the pristine hydrogen atmosphere of the sun with everything that has ever lived on Earth, it may produce some kind of signature that distant astronomers other places could see on our star and say, something really crazy happened there.
At the beginning of our fateful fall into the sun, Earth's average temperature rose by 2 degrees Fahrenheit in a week. Now, it rises 3 degrees every minute. The Statue of Liberty stands in what was once New York Harbor, but is now a vast canyon.
The harbor has been evaporated and dry, desiccated.
As for Lady Liberty, her skin is copper. Her copper torch is coated in 24-karat gold. The gold melts away, and the copper flame turns to liquid.
You start reaching temperatures where aluminum melts and even steel melts. You have limestone melting, granite melting. The whole memory of civilization is completely erased. There's